everyone, Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn how to draw lips. So let's start.
So, we are going to learn how to draw the human lips. Step number 1 is draw one curve and then draw one line along with the curve and draw another line like this and just draw one arrow here. Both sides equal distance. So this is our first figure. Now, this arrow line make another curved line. This is our middle line which we drew. This was the lower part. Okay, so this part is here. Here some broken lines you show, and this arrow is actually here. This is our second figure, and we are drawing upper line with a curve, and this is the side pose, children. Okay, not the front pose of our lip. You're watching from the side. And here is this part. Below this, show another curve, and this is the lower lip. So our fourth step is we will show little portion which is actually the nostril. Okay, nose goes like this. So this is the nose portion. I'm doing some shading here. Our lips have some cracks, some lines are there on our lips. We'll take a pencil and we'll do more shading here. Do some cross hatching here. Make it darker. And show some shading here. Now our next one is we are not drawing a line, but we are doing the shading here. This is the shading. Some part of mouth is visible. So this is the fifth step. Here we have mild shading here. Now our next step. In reality, if you look at somebody's lips, you will find them like this. So here we will do mild shading. As I told you, very, very small strokes. Now comes here. The upper lip is some darker in shade. See here, we'll draw a little darker and we'll leave a gap in between. So we sometimes use eraser and we make it darker, the center part. So this is the front part. In this, shading will go like this. Long lines incline to left side and then incline to right side. In the lower lip, they will be just vertical. Here, we always have some shading. on both the sides. Once again, after smudging, the pencil will give one more round of lines. Next is the side pose. So in side pose, here we have shading, here we have shading, then this side will be bit darker and this side is bit lighter. Same thing for lower lip. And the third one, which is a side, this is when we can see 3 by 4 of our lip. This is the side one. So just draw a line, okay, so that it is easy for us to draw upper and lower. Like keep a scale or freehand, just draw a line. The smudging and little bit on the lower one. Upper lip is always darker than the lower one. This is other one. Now there is a second method which we follow sometime, that is step by step drawing. In first step, we just draw this much. Then we draw a lower lip. Then next step, we draw this thin line also in between the two lips. One easy method I will tell you, draw a straight line and here also draw a line and measure this side and this side, it should be same. Okay, because when we draw, we do this mistake. So this side and this side should be same. Then third step, again, if you are in doubt, take your scale and with ordinary pencil draw one line and middle also draw one line. Okay, so once we do this and mark equal distances on both the sides, like I'm marking 3 centimeter here and 3 centimeter and this side also 3 centimeter. So my lip should be within this range. Here also we'll draw a line. And later on, we'll remove these lines. Then final step is, we have drawn this line so that we know we have to do, middle line is there, both sides equal distances are marked and one more line is drawn at the bottom. And to make sure that we are measuring same distances, and then you do the shading. Like we have done the shading, I'll show you the shading now. First thing, we will smudge the pencil. This is front facing, no inclination. This is our next figure. Now, sometime we have to show the teeth. One pose which children do very often, they will show tongue to others. So let's draw that one. Lower teeth are also visible, and here comes your tongue.
I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for watching, sharing and subscribing my YouTube channel. Namaste. Dhanyavad.